Hey, what's up you guys? It's Marino. Welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to do an easy everyday makeup using the Morphe 35M Bust Palette. So this is it right here. When you open it up, it has the film with all the names, and then this is what it looks like right here. So all these pretty colors, let's get started. Alright you guys, so as per usual, I already did my base makeup, which is my foundation, my blush, my concealer. I already set my face. I already prepped my eyes, did my eyebrows for today's look. So I really want to do like a fall type of look, but something not too crazy. So like always, I'm going to start with my Morphe R35 brush, and I'm just going to dab into this color right here, which is called Play It Cool. And then it's just a light brown shade that I'm just going to pack all over my lid as a transition right here, just so all the colors will stay. So if you see here, I already have that going, so I'm just gonna go again, tap some the excess off, and just put this down for a base color. Here you go, just like that. And then now I'm gonna take just a darker color, which is gonna be, this one right here, and this one is right below it. It's called Talk Dirty. I take some of that, and I'm just gonna pack it on the outer corner and bring it in. Now you just want to sweep it in like this. There we go. And circular motions. Like that. There we go. And then the other side, same thing. Honestly, if you're a beginner, you want to pack it on the outer corner so all the pigment is on the outer side, and you just want to sweep it in. Go back and forth, and then use circular motions to blend it all together. All right, that's pretty. I love Morphe products because, one, their eyeshadows are so good. They always blend so well together. And it just, there's no patchiness. It's always flawless. And it's pretty cheap for the price. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a flat synthetic brush. No, let's go with, alright, we could do this one. This is the M124 brush. It's just a flat dome shape brush. I'm actually gonna wet it. So I usually use setting spray. If you don't have like setting spray or anything right next to you, you just spritz it with some water. You do this, shake it a bit. And I think as far as like my eyelid color, I really want to do this orange right here because it's like October, pumpkin pickings coming up, Halloween, all that stuff. You know what? Let's go with this. So this one's called Bright Eyes, and we're just gonna dab into there. And then we're just gonna put that all over our lid. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see. So I have like really big eyelid space. Some people love it, some people don't. I like do because I could put so much more color. And so I have so much more space to work with. So, can't complain. I like it. I'm just going to go back to my R35 that I used the darker shade, and I'm just going to go over where I put the orange shimmery shade and the dark brown meets, just so to blend it some more. There we go. So now I'm just going to take a little, let's do this one, my trusty R39 brush to blend out. I'm going to take the first brown shade that we used for transition, and I'm just going to go on top of the darker brown shade just a little bit, just to blend it out. So there's no harsh lines or anything. There we go. And then I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to take my M506 brush, which is like a small detail brush. I'm going to go into this shadow right here, which is called Light of the Party. And I'm just going to take that on my brow bone. Just a little bit. Here we go. And then back to the R39 with the light, and I'm just gonna blend it together so it looks cohesive. And then I'm just actually gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna take that, go back into the first brown shade and go on the bottom. So all the colors are blended together. And then I'm going to take a smudger brush, which I have right here is the M508. Just a little smudger brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that dark brown, and I'm going to go as close to the lash line as possible and take it all around and up. That way. There you go, see how it just gives it a little more depth. Okay, so this eye is practically done. I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I finished the other eye off camera, and I also put eyeliner and mascara. I will link in the description box below what I used, but I just wanted to get on with it. So for today's highlight, I'm actually using the Morphe X Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighter. So open it up, it's like this, and I think today I want to go with, let's do, I'm feeling it, let's do this one right here, which is called Vaygaytion. Now let's get my favorite highlighter brush, which is the R36, and I'm gonna just sweep it on there. And let's see. Yes. Sweep it around. Some on my cupid's bow, on my chin. Like where the light hits, you want to emphasize. And then down my nose. Like this. Roll my fingertip. Tip of my nose. Up. And there we go. God, Bretman Rock really did it with this highlighter palette. Yep. Favorite. So next, I have this new thing. Well, before I do that, I'm going to spray myself with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which is my favorite setting spray. Lock everything down. Oh, also you guys, I'm gonna, as usual, put everything that I used, from my foundation to the brushes to sponges to everything. I will link it in the description box below. And as far as lips today, this face is set. I'm actually going to be using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Her new liquid lip looks like this. And this is in Unbuttoned. I'll put that down below also. So these look so good. Like, this is a tip right here. Here you go. Oh, look at it. The light's reflecting off it. So pretty. All right, let's see. Oh. Yes. I love this applicator. This applicator literally hugs your lips, like, even on the outer corners, on the edges. Oh my god, that's so nice. This color's pretty too. Let it dry down. And me being extra, I always like to put more setting spray. And then let that dry down. Sorry guys, it's like maybe 10 in the morning. I have coffee, waking up. And this is today's look, guys. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's hot, but like outside is cold today. Put my hair down. There we go. Easy every day. This Rihanna lipstick is stunning, by the way. Oh, I'm really feeling it. A+ on the new lipstick, Rihanna. Right. Well, that completes today's look, guys. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you know when I upload a next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Alright guys, so for the end of the video, I wanted to also do some swatches of all the shimmers and stuff. So these are a few of them swatched on my hand. I think they're so pretty. They're pigmented. They're great. Absolute fall colors. Here you go. Alright guys, and also these are some of the mattes in the palette as well. Yeah. Alright, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.